Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I am journaling in my NIV Journal the Word Bible. I haven't journaled in a while, so I'm excited to do this for you. And since Valentine's Day is coming up soon, I thought I would do a verse talking about love, and the one I am journaling in today is Jeremiah 31:3, where it says, I have loved you with an everlasting love. So I thought that was perfect. And so my entry I would like to do using Q-tips, and I'm inspired by Scribbling Grace, who has a channel here on YouTube. She also is over on Instagram and she has a blog, but she is an amazing Bible journalist and hand letterer. So I'll go ahead and link the video down below for the entry that she did. She painted the background black, which I'm going to do, and then she used different colors. I think it was blues, but for this entry, since I'm doing Valentine's Day, I have a couple different. I have a red and a pink, and then I have white. I also have a white paint marker to do lettering, and I'll just spell out, I have loved you with an everlasting love, or maybe everlasting love. I'm not sure. We'll see when we get to that point. But the first thing I'm going to do is paint my entry black, and then I'll go in with doing the little dots, and we'll see how this turns out. I think I'm going to also try doing hearts, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and get started with the entry. So here's how it turned out. I think it is really fun. The only thing I don't like about it is my lettering, and I was having a difficult time with the paint pen that I had picked out. I couldn't find the one that was recommended by Scribbling Grace, and yeah, they didn't have that at Michael's, so I'll probably have to order one of those from Amazon. This is just the Craft Smart one. They didn't have a smaller, this was the smallest pen that I can find, and it's still too big for me because the space I have to do my lettering, it's kind of like writing with a regular size Sharpie, and I don't know, you just can't, it wasn't very opaque for one thing, and then there wasn't, you can't have very much control when you're having to write smaller in my space. So I think the bigger letters were okay. Overall, I like it. I think this can improve a little bit, but anyway, I hope you like it. I hope it gives you some inspiration for your next Bible journaling page. It was just fun overall, just making little dots and then going in with whatever colors. You could do this in any color combination. Check out Scribbling Grace if you'd like to check her channel out. I'll have the link down below. And I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.